What's this? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't put it there, it's going to fall. Oops. Smash the top one. Look. That's it. Do any more? You've done? It's literally full ears. Any more? No? Well, I'll give it to the other ravens then.